Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SD card into HonorPad X8. So to insert SD card into this tablet, you have to have something like this, that will like this key, that will open this pocket here, SD card pocket. Here is your SD card, and you have to put your key into this little hole and press down, and as you can see it opened, and now just grab it and pull it out, and here is your SD card. Mine was already inside, but if you want to insert yours, just put it inside in here, and now put it back into your device and do it gently because you don't want to break that. And now your device should recognize that there is a SD card inside, so let's check that. Yes, and enter the storage tab in your settings, and now here you should have memory card, and as you can see this device recognizes that my SD card is 64 gigabytes and it's almost empty. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.